Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of example from chapter number 1. What is the name of chapter number 1? Sets, relation and function. I am moving to example 1.19. So, given condition, if such that minus 2 comma 2 but closed interval, okay, tends to B is given by the condition f of x is equal to true x cube. So, solution f of x is equal to true x cube. Then find the value of B. First we have to find out the value of B. Then you have to say after find out the value f is onto. What is the meaning of onto? Already you know, I think last week the fourth day class concept is given clearly. If you have any doubt, go to the previous class, especially the last Friday class. You will get it clear idea, okay? So, now what is the meaning of onto? If you make it number of codomain is equal to preimage. So, this is codomain means arrow diagram. This is called domain, isn't it? So, if it example the codomain value A, B, C, D is there means domain consider for 1, 2, 3, 4. So, each and every codomain is equal to number of pre-images. So, mapping A to 1, at the same time mapping B to 2, mapping C to 3, mapping D to 4. This is called onto function, okay. I am moving to the question. The given condition f of x is equal to 2x cube. The given value closed interval means we have to take it equal to value also minus 2. Therefore, first I am moving to f of minus 2. So, f of minus 2 means true into minus 2 the whole cube. Therefore, minus 2 the whole cube means we can write now minus 8. Therefore, 2 into minus 8 means minus 16. Then, f of positive 2, isn't it? So, positive true means again true into positive true the whole cube. Again true into 2 cube means positive 8, isn't it? Therefore, value we have 16. So, after getting the value, this is considered for A means this is B, isn't it? So, therefore, if you make it A value is given minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2 at the same time tends to B means that is called the codomain, isn't it? Codomain, what the answer we have? Negative 16 to positive 16. Therefore, we can say no, B is equal to the closed interval negative 16 to positive 16. So, now negative 16 to positive 16. Now, the negative 16 mapping to negative, isn't it? Because there negative 2 is equal to negative 16, positive 2 is equal to positive 16. So, onto function each and every codomain is equal to number of pre-image. In between whatever the value, definitely it's equal to the codomain. Therefore, be the value minus 16 comma 16. So, we proved also f is onto, okay. I will continue the next question. Be stay on the line. Moving to example 1.20. Check whether the function f of x is equal to x mod x, isn't it? Solution. So, f of x is equal to x mod x. What is the meaning of modulus of x? So, if you remove the modulus means plus or minus x, isn't it? So, plus or minus x means we can write it in two different categories, and the first one, so f of x is equal to x greater than or equal to 0, that is positive value means, so already we have, so f of x is equal to outside x already is there common, greater than 0 means definitely we can take no positive x only. Therefore, when x greater than 0 means x into x value we have positive x square. The first function we can write it x square, isn't it? Then second one, isn't it? Second one, what will happen? The second condition negative means, so negative means we can write it. So, negative, look at there. So, same condition f of x is equal to, instead of already x common, but inside we can write it negative, isn't it? So, x less than 0. So, negative x, definitely answer we have negative x square. So, after getting the answer negative x square is there, Definitely here output we have negative x square. Already we know after applying the function term, then what we have to find out if it is one-to-one function. So if it is one-to-one function means, what is the condition one-to-one function? F of x1 is equal to f of x true. So f of x1 is equal to f of x true means that implies if you have the result x1 is equal to x true means it is one-to-one function. First I am moving to two different category. The first category, when x greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to 0 means the positive, isn't it? So positive means we have x square is there. Therefore, just take it for f of x is equal to f of y means x square, isn't it? X square means f of x square is equal to f of y square. Therefore, x square is equal to y square means if you remove the square means definitely plus or minus value. But if we have the condition greater than or equal to 0, so no need to consider for negative value. Therefore, the final term x square is equal to y square means definitely x is equal to, what the term will come? X is equal to y will come? No, because the positive value only I have considered. After getting the result x1 is equal to x2, here consider for x and y, we have x is equal to y. Definitely the first condition it is 1, 2. Second case, when x less than 0. So when x less than 0 means what will happen? X less than 0, x less than 0, negative value consider. So negative value means definitely negative means minus x square, isn't it? Therefore, f of minus x square is equal to f of minus y square. Therefore, we can say no, minus x square is equal to minus y square. Both side minus cancel. The same condition x square is equal to y square. If you remove the square means a plus or minus value, but the condition less than means only negative value. Therefore, negative x is equal to negative y. Both side negative, sir, cancel means x is equal to y. See, the first condition also greater than 0, output we have x is equal to y. At the same time, x less than 0 also we have the output x is equal to y. Therefore, we can say the first one, it is 1 to 1. It is 1 to 1. After getting 1 to 1, then find suitable codomain so that the function is bijection. Already you know what is the meaning of bijection. If you have the result 1 to 1 and 2 it's okay means we can say it is bijection. So 1 to 1 is clear. I am moving to find out the onto function. Already you know the last question also we applied. What is the meaning of onto? Number of codomain is equal to number of pre-image. So listen very carefully. So number of codomain is equal to number of pre-image. The given condition closed interval minus 2 comma 2, isn't it? First one. So the closed interval minus 2 comma 2. What will happen? F of minus 2 means, look at there, minus 2. Then x value I have considered for minus 2. Again modulus of minus 2. So therefore if you remove the modulus means negative value also convert for positive. Again negative 2 into 2 means output we have negative 4. Next case positive 2. F of 2 is equal to, what will happen? F of 2 means true modulus of 2. Again true into true. Output we have 4. Therefore, what the output we have? So minus true, true, true. That is implies we have the output negative 4 to positive 4. Negative 4 to positive 4. See, if you take it, this is A means domain means this is called B. So negative 2 to positive 2. Output also we have negative 4 to positive 4. See, each and every mapping number of codomain is equal to number of pre-image. In between whatever the value, if you take a negative 1 also we will get it as well as the same particular value. So each and in between negative 4 to positive 4, whatever the value it's mapping to pre-image of the term. Therefore, we can say it is onto. Already I proved 1 to 1 function also. So now we can clear it is 1 to 1 and onto also. Therefore, it is a bijection. Okay, I will continue the next question. 1.21 question, find the largest possible domain for the real valued function f defined. So f defined condition f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 5x plus 6. So one important condition is there. So look at the solution. The condition f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 5x plus 6. Square root value is there. So if it is function means whatever the value in square root, it must be a positive. If you have any square root negative value means it's not a function. For example, square root of 4 is equal to, what the value is possible? Square root of 4 means, we can say no, we can spell square root of 4 means 2 into 2, isn't it? So square root of 2 into 2 means output we have 2. At the same time, so square root of 4 we can write it 2 instead of minus 2 into minus 2 also possible, no. That's why we are saying x square is equal to some value means x is equal to plus or minus. Now you understand why we are taking plus or minus. Look at there. This is actually one of the important topic for plus 2. So you will get it more idea when you move on the plus 2. Okay, don't worry. So minus 2 into minus 2 also we can write down because minus 2 into minus 2 also positive 4, no. Therefore, if you remove the square root means we can say no, minus 2. So therefore, the square root of 4, what are the possible value? Plus or minus 2 will come. But instead of square root of 4, so square root of negative 4 possible or not possible? This is not a real valued function. That's why I am saying whatever the value in square root, it must be a positive. If it is any negative value means it is not a function. So this is not a real value. So only definitely we will get an imaginary value. Okay. This is complex number unit. Okay. The plus 2 students. Imaginary unit. Okay. That's why. Look at there, I will therefore, if it positive value means definitely x square minus 5x plus 6 always greater than or equal to 0. So just to consider for equal to 0, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Sum product rule. So product means positive 6. So product means positive 6. At the same time, add means negative 5, isn't it? One important short trick is there in sum and product root. If you have product positive sign means selected to same sign whether positive or negative. But if we have the output negative means the selected to negative sign only better. Therefore 6 how it is considered? 6 means we can take it 1 into 6. At the same time 6 is equal to 2 into 3, isn't it? So 2 into 3 okay, no. So definitely output we have minus 2 and minus 3. Product means minus 2 into minus 3 means positive 6. At the same time minus 2 minus 3 add means output minus 5. It's clear, no? Therefore x minus 2 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. If you make it one number line means so number line negative infinity to positive infinity, center 0 means we have only positive value, no, 2 and 3. So make it one interval. Then output also x minus 2 and x minus 3. Then output directly we can write it output. Instead of output we can write the question also because this is without square root, no, x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, first interval minus infinity to 2. So minus infinity, sorry. So minus infinity to 2, isn't it? So minus infinity to 2, what will happen? First take it any one value. It's minus 3 means or 0, okay, no. In between 0 is there, no. First take it for instead of x, in between whatever the value, I have considered for 0. 0 minus 2 minus. At the same time 0 minus 3 minus. So minus into minus, output we have plus. Next value 2 to 3 is in the next interval. 2 to 3. So 2 to 3, 2.5, okay, no. 2.5 means 2.5 minus 2 means only consider for sign only. 2.5 minus 2 positive. Here 2.5 minus 3 means negative. Plus into minus negative. Last case 3 to infinity. So I will explain later why I am considering for the interval, open interval and closed interval. Listen. So 3 to infinity, what will happen? 3 to infinity means in between 3.5. So 3.5 minus 2. So 3.5 means the positive value, no? So 3.5 minus 2 only positive. Next case also 3.5 again positive. The again plus into minus mean plus. We have the inequality, what is sign? Greater than or equal to 0. Only positive cases. Here we have 3 different output, but the second output we have negative. So it's not a function. The first case and last case only we have the output. Therefore, the largest possible domain, what are the value? Minus infinity to minus infinity to closed interval union of 3 to infinity. This is closed interval. Why I have considered for open and closed? The closed interval means include true. Open interval means except true. That is the difference. Example, here include closed interval is there, 2 is there. If you take it here, 2 means what will happen? Look at there. 2 square means 4 will come now. 4 and so example, consider for true. So x value I have taken for true. So x is equal to true. Definitely square root of 2 square means 4 will come now. Next is the same time minus 5 into 2, 10 will come. Then 6. Look at that. 0 possible. Okay. But if you take again also in between, what are the values? So 2.5. More than 2.5 means definitely 2.5. We will get no. More than negative square root of negative value will come. If a negative value means it is not a function. At the same time 3 also look at there. That's why I consider for 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity means a closed interval. Take it 3 also, we will get it's a function now. 3 square means 9 will come. 5 into 3, 15. So 9 plus 6 means 15. 15 minus 15, square root 0 is okay now. That is okay. But negative value means it's not a real. Only imaginary output only will come. Okay. I hope you understand why I have considered for square root greater than or equal to 0. Okay. This is the largest possible domain. Answer open interval minus infinity to closed interval union of 3 to infinity. Okay. I will continue the next question. Example 1.2 true. Find the domain of f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 cos x. So solution, the given condition f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 cos x. So all the real values possible except 0. Why I am not saying, so why I am saying it's not equal to the 0. If you take it for divided by anything value 0 means 1 by 0. What the output will come? It's infinity. If you have the result infinity means definitely it not defined, isn't it? That's why all the real value is possible except 0. Okay. Therefore 1 minus 2 cos x is equal to 0 means minus 2 cos x is equal to plus 1, bring out opposite side means minus 1. Minus minus cancel. Again 2 cos x is equal to 1 means cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, when you will get the value cos 1 by 2, cos 60, isn't it? So cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. So instead of 1 by 2 we can write now cos pi by 3. Therefore cos x is equal to cos pi by 3. Therefore x is equal to pi by 3. Therefore cos x is equal to pi by 3 means definitely the x term x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. This is general term. Okay, for cos. Okay. So cos x is equal to cos pi by 3 means x is equal to pi by 3. Therefore if you take it whatever the value n is equal to 0 or 1 or 2 except this value remaining all the term will be possible. Therefore output domain all the real values possible except this answer. So 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Okay. This is our answer. Okay. I will continue the next question. 1.23. Find the range of the function f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus 3 cos x. Solution. Condition f of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus 3 cos x. Already you know the trigonometric function, the cos x maximum to minimum value minus 1 to positive 1. Look at there, 0 to 360 is there. Okay, in between 270 also, cos 270 also, value will be 0 will come. So listen very carefully. So why am I written for this step? What are the maximum to minimum value for cos? At the same time, sin also minus 1 to positive 1. If you take it 1 by 2 also, what the answer will come? In between minus 1 to positive 1, 0.5. Then 1 by root 2 also 0.0 something will come. At the same time, root 3 by 2 also the same. In between minus 1 to positive 1. Therefore, what is the maximum value for cos x means minus 1 to positive 1. Therefore, how to rearrange this line? Minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to positive 1. In between, therefore, but in denominator minus 3 is there. Therefore, first we have to multiply each and every time into 3. So, into 3 means minus 1 into 3 minus 3 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to positive 3. Then minus, isn't it? Again into minus 1. Into minus 1 means minus 3 into minus 1 positive 3. But inequality symbol also will be changed, no? Greater than or equal to minus, here 3 will come, no? So, minus 3 cos x. Again here also inequality symbol greater than or equal to 3 into minus 1 means minus 3. Why I have taken for change the minus, change the inequality symbol? Already we know the basic concept, 4 always greater than true. Okay, both side into minus means what will happen? Minus 4 and minus 2. What is the inequality symbol? Will be changed, no? Definitely minus 4 less than or equal to minus 2, no? That's why, listen, if you take it into 3, positive value means inequality symbol as it is. When both the side multiply into negative means inequality symbol also will be changed. Okay. Now the next step, we need add 1, isn't it? So add 1, isn't it? So add 1 means what will happen first? For 1 into 3, so less than or equal to, again, otherwise directly we can write, no? Add 1 means 1 plus 3, isn't it? So 1 plus 3 greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 cos x, again greater than or equal to 1 minus 3. 1 plus 3, 4 greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 cos x greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, reciprocal also is there. Therefore, reciprocal, taking reciprocal on both sides. So, taking reciprocal, what will happen? 1 by 4. So, if you take reciprocal also, inequality symbol will be changed, isn't it? So, what we have to do? Greater than or equal to means less than or equal to 1 by 1 minus 3 cos x. Again, greater than or equal to means less than or equal to 1 by minus 2. So, now the condition is clear now, 1 by 1 minus 3 cos x. Therefore, if you make it one number line means minus infinity to positive infinity, center 0 means negative value. So, negative 1 by 2, at the same time positive value 1 by 4. So, in between this value. Therefore, range it belongs to first one minus infinity to negative 1 by 2, then union of closed interval 1 by 4 to infinity. This is the answer for example 1.23. So, example 1.25 question, f is equal to the pair of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 2, and g is equal to pair of 2, 1, 3, 1 and 4, 2. So, we have to find out, that is actually how to say f is composite of g. This is called g is composite of f. Otherwise, we can say g of f of x. Okay, g of f of x. This is how to say f of g of x. Okay, this is actually how to say in the word f is composite of g, g is composite of f. Okay, moving to the question, the pair, what are the pair is given? First pair, so f is equal to 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 2, 2. So, what is the meaning? F of 1 is equal to true, then f of 3 is equal to 4. Here f of true is equal to true. Okay. Now, this is arrow diagram means what is the meaning? 1, 3 true. 1, 3 true. So, this is codomain means output to true, 4 2, isn't it? So, 2 and 4 only we can write now. Therefore, so 1 mapping to true, then true also mapping to true. At the same time, 3 is mapping to 4. Okay, this is called F. Then second case, G is equal to 2, 1, then 3, 1, then 4, 2. This is what is the mapping? G of 2 is equal to 1, then G of 3 is equal to 1, then G of 4 is equal to true. Now look at there. This is also how to make the arrow diagram. This is A domain means this is called codomain. So true, 3, 4. True, 3 and 4. Output 1 and true only. 1 and true. Here, true is mapping to 1. At the same time, 3 is mapping to 1. Then last one, 4 is mapping to true. So we have find out the output. F is composite of G and G is composite of F. That is G dot F and F dot G. First I am moving to G dot F. G dot. First F value, what is the value? So 2, no? So G dot F of 1, isn't it? G dot F of 1 means how to make it G of F of X, isn't it? So G of F of X value F of 1. Now G of F of 1, what is the value? F of 1 is equal to true. Now G of 2 is equal to what the answer? G of 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, the first pair, first one, G dot F, isn't it? G dot F is equal to the pair 1 and 1, isn't it? So if you take it 1 means output we have G of 2 is equal to 1. The 1, 1. The second case, G of 2 is equal to 1, no? Yes. The next case, G dot F of next pair 3, isn't it? G dot F of 3 means we can write it G of F of 3. G of F of 3. So G of F of 3 is equal to what the value? 4. Now G of 4 is equal to true. Now output to 3, true. 3, true. Next case, G dot F of true. Again G of F of 2. G of F of 2. F of 2 is equal to what the answer? True. So G of 2 is equal to output 1. Therefore again 2, 1, isn't it? 2, 1. This is first pair. Okay, I am moving to second case. F dot G. Again F dot G, what the output will come? So F dot G. F dot G. So F dot G of first number 2, no? G of 2. Therefore this is how to make it F of G of X. So F of G of 2 is equal to F of G of 2 is equal to what the output? 1. Therefore F of 1 is equal to true. Therefore first pair true, true. Then second pair F dot G of 3. This is F of G of 3. F of G of 3 is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to true, isn't it? So F of 1 is equal to 2, no? Therefore here output 3 and true. The last pair F dot G of 4. Again F of G of 4. F of G of 4 is equal to true. Then F of 2 is equal to what the output? 2 is there. Therefore final pair 4, true. Okay, this is answer for G dot F and F dot G. Okay, so please listen, my dear. I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.